Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to remove the watermark in the end of the video in CapCut. So let's get started. At first let's get into CapCut app and you can go to any video you want to edit. So let's go for this one, and if you play this, at the end you can see this CapCut sign over here. So to edit this, you can simply tap on this, and here you can see this delete option. So let's simply tap on this and it's done. If you play this now, there is no such thing as CapCut at the end. So this is all you need to do to remove watermark at the end of video in CapCut. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.